Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by guiding the learner into the calm down corner right now, position them gently, and name the first step. Explain why the space exists. It helps regulate big feelings and restores focus. Once seated, show 2-3 tools and set a visible timer for 10 minutes so expectations are clear. Make sure to offer one short breathing choice. Demonstrate the first breath with them. This first action reduces intensity quickly and starts the regulation process immediately. Once settled, guide the full practice. Model a 4-5 breath cycle and encourage them to match your pace while watching the timer. Explain why each tool helps. Pressure calms the nervous system, textures focus attention, and light reduces overstimulation, so they learn to choose. You should alternate prompts and silence. Offer a gentle question, then allow 3 to 4 quiet breaths. Make sure to check the timer together, and remind them that using tools is a skill they can practice. To finish, cue a clear transition. Count down 30 seconds, have them place feet flat, take a final deep breath, and state one small next step before leaving. Explain why this matters. Closure links the calm state to returning to tasks. Once done, provide a quiet check-in or a simple task handoff. If they resist or escalate, shorten the stay, give 2 clear choices, and model the first step slowly. This troubleshooting reduces shutdown and teaches the corner's purpose.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.